Hello, fellow options traders and investors. Welcome to my channel. This video is part of a series of videos depicting the step-by-step process on how you can trade various option strategies on the InteractiveBrokers IBKR mobile app. This video will focus on walking you through to set up a covered call trade. Just a reminder, I am not a financial advisor, so everything that I share in this channel is not financial advice. My content is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay then, let's start today's video, shall we? The U.S. market is going through some turbulent price actions currently. Option traders, especially short-term option traders, may encounter inadvertent assignments from their trades. My view is that assignments are common and perfectly normal. It is part and parcel of trading options. We just need to have a plan on how to manage or repair the trade when we are assigned. As an example, recently I received an assignment on one of my bull put spread on the stock CDW Corporation. My short put at strike price of $200 and expiring on March 21st. 2025 was assigned inadvertently. This meant that I was compelled and bought 100 shares per contract of CDW Corporation at $200 each. At this point of time, the share price of CDW was below $180. My plan for this position is to unwind the assignment by closing them entirely by selling married puts. This would reinstate my buying power, and then I will plan my next move. Let me demonstrate how to unwind this assignment on IBKR mobile app in a single order. On the IBKR mobile app, our first step would be to select the Search tab on the bottom row. Then we select the search box as shown and type CDW to show its options chain page. The Options Chain tab. Select the same day as the expiry of your long put, which in our example here is March 21st, 2025. Next, select the sell put with strike price of $180 as shown. To proceed to our next step, we would need to hold and swipe the horizontal tab upwards. Tap the plus sign to add the stock leg as shown. Sell and enter 100 shares to be sold. Tap on the order button to proceed to the next step. Quantity of one means selling one set of what was entered earlier, which is one long put and 100 CDW shares. For order type, I always use limit order. This is to ensure the exact amount of premium receivable. Select the amount of premium you aim to collect and enter it into the limit price field. Do check that it is stated as a credit. For the time and force field, I chose day, meaning this order will expire if it is not filled by today. Finally, hold and slide the buy button to submit your order. Order submitted. We have successfully submitted selling our married put order on the IBKR mobile app. I mentioned earlier, assignments are common and perfectly normal. Remember, do not panic. Keep calm and unwind your assignments as per your plan. This is especially important when you encounter your first few inadvertent assignments. Feel I am providing value. Please help me to click like, share, and subscribe. I wish everyone here is having a wonderful day. Please stay safe and manage your risk. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to the next video.